let's go out, let's go out. Oh, 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 no. Right, yo, it's me again. So we really must run. Alright guys, it's bad news. It's New Year! I'm just joking, that's not bad news. It's extremely good news. It is New Year and sorry it's raining.
Later, see you later, Jim.
And ano man?
Ha? Karon, hapit na. Last
Oh,
time
tiki
lang,
torch. Katong tiki torch.
Oh, here's Papang's torch. Oh.
Ako, amang good to. So, alright. We need to go near to the lights. You can. What? There's fireworks. Oh! Oh, that's amazing. I don't know if you can really see it. But there is one. Oh, yeah! Wait. The sticks falling when the quitis, explode. There will be like sticks. So that's why we're using this umbrella. There's two things. It's raining and those. Oh yeah! It's so cool. And there's more. This is gonna be oh yeah. Oh, one stick we're just like dirt. Check this out. I don't know if you can reach it. Oh, that was awesome. I'm just gonna be careful. Oh! Oh! What? Dude, there was like a fireworks right there. It was really amazing. Let's go to a light that is very bright, like right over near to our car. Oh no! Look at my grandfather right there. He's like holding on fire. And we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to Cagayan. I'm just joking. Alright. You are never going to believe what are we gonna do again. Oh, sorry, there's no lights. We're on the lights. I'm just gonna stay in the kitchen. And I'm kind of scared. I'm just joking. It's really nice, but it's tough. New Year's Eve part 3.